If you want to create a simple script in Python that will execute your favorite programs when you turn your computer on, all you have to do is create a Python file, name it wherever you want to name it, and then you're going to edit the file with your favorite text editor, and then you will need to import a library called subprocess. After that, you need to type in subprocess.P brackets, squared brackets, and then quotations, and inside of the quotations you will need to type in the file location. So in my case, I will do a file location for Microsoft Edge. So I will go to its location, click on the shortcut and go to Files Properties, and since it says target over here and it's a msedge.exe, this is where the executable file location of the software is. I'm going to take this. I'm going to post this over here, and because the copied file has been already copied with quotation marks over here, I need to get rid of them so I won't have any errors. And then save it, press F5 to execute it, and there you go. So now if you want to make this file run every single time, if you want the script to run every single time you turn your computer on, you have to go to run, go to your shell startup, and then just drag and drop the script that you just created. And so from now on, every single time, if you will turn your computer on and you will log into your account, this file will get executed. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.